Welcome to Body Idioms. These are special English expressions that use parts of the human body but have different meanings from the actual body parts. Today, we learn 8 important body idioms that native speakers use every day. Cost an arm and a leg means something is very expensive, much more costly than expected. We use this when the price shocks us. For example, new smartphones often cost an arm and a leg. Get something off one's chest means to tell someone about a problem or worry that bothers you. After sharing, you feel much better and lighter. It helps when something troubles your mind for a long time. Break a leg means good luck, especially before a performance or important event. Instead of saying good luck directly, actors use this phrase. It shows support and positive wishes. Break a leg expresses good luck to performers. You say this to actors, singers, or speakers before they go on stage. The phrase comes from theater tradition, where direct good luck might bring bad luck. All ears means listening very carefully and attentively to someone. When you say you are all ears, it shows you give full attention. Use this when you want someone to share important information. See eye to eye means to agree completely with someone and share the same opinion. When people see eye to eye, they understand each other perfectly. It shows harmony in thinking. Put your foot down means to be firm and refuse to accept something, to assert your authority. Parents often put their foot down with children about rules. It shows strong decision-making.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.